Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually form a limited liability company in the state of Ohio. Now we're going to go in great detail and talk about three different methodologies that you could follow. The first one is going and heading over to the actual state website and going through the information and actually applying directly yourself. The second methodology is where you can actually use a platform and get the support and guidance. And the third is getting in touch with an attorney that can help you and support you. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to the state website, which is ohio.gov. Now, once you reach the website, you'll see that this is a very interesting website where you can learn everything about Ohio State, from the government, the programs, and the services. One of the things that I absolutely love about Ohio State is the fact that every information that you require is right in front of you. The licenses and permits that you need are given to you directly, so every single information that you require you can easily find on the state website. And remember, guys, forming a limited liability company in the state of Ohio is a little bit complicated, and that is the reason why we're making these amazing videos for you guys, to give you the proper insight and obviously methodology by which you can follow and set up a limited liability company. What you need to do is head to the top over here and click on Tools for Business. Now once you do that, you'll be taken to the next page. Now this is dedicated to all the information related to developing and starting your businesses. Now you can clearly see unclaimed fund reports, Ohio Business Gateway, start and growing your businesses. Now if you scroll down, you can see the vendor licensing, starting a business, small business development center, and different management level things as well. Now one of the elements that you have to keep in mind is the fact that when you're hiring or training employees starting a business in the state, there is a lot of state requirements that need to be filled out, which can be very complicated. But remember, with our videos, you will always have one step ahead to make sure that you understand what you need to do. Head over to Start a Business. Now once you click on Start a Business, you'll be able to learn the different legal requirements that the state of Ohio tends to have, so you can follow them to make sure that you cover every single base when you start your business in the state of Ohio. Now as you can see over here, you have the full information from the startup guide to the hiring guide and the checklist that you need to follow. And if you want personal assistance, you can easily get contact with the Small Business Development Center. There are staff with highly trained and experienced business advisors who offer one-to-one confidential, no-cost counseling to help your business needs. Remember, guys, there is a lot of legal requirements in the United States and especially in the state of Ohio to make sure that you cover all those elements. Now, if you're a first-time developer and an individual who's an entrepreneur that is setting up a limited liability company, I would suggest for you to head over to inkfile.com. This is a fast, free, awarding winning company formation, and you can join over 1 million business owners that are using Inkfile in 2004. Remember, guys, starting a new business can be stressful and quite expensive. There's a lot to do to file a limited liability company, and varying state requirements, numerous steps, and a lot of important documentation that leave plenty of room for error and mistakes that can be very costly. And that is the reason why Inkfile is available over here, because you'll pay a state fee to file your business, but Inkfile doesn't charge anything at all. But Inkfile doesn't charge any processing fee on top of it, and formation through Inkfile is free always. And you can choose to add on additional services with the premium packages, which we're gonna talk about in a second. There's no hidden costs or subscriptions, is 100% free formation. It has the fastest filing speed with a free registered agent and free compliance reminders. Inkfile is a comprehensive set of services that has you covered, from getting your EIN number and business licensing to submitting your annual report. You just need to choose the service that suits your situation and when you need them. Remember, guys, getting your EIN number, your employer identification number, is crucial. It is your social security for your business. You won't be able to conduct your business if you do not have your EIN number, and Inkfile helps you register all the information so you can easily get your EIN number in a few working days. And you can get access to the InkFiles business growth dashboard as well. Your business essentials are all in one place where you can get reminders and compliance alerts where you can grow your business with additional services when you need them. Now, if you want to start, all you need to do is scroll down and click on Get Started Now. Now, as you click on this, you'll be taken to the next page where you have two options in front of you, the entity type and the state of formation. Now, if you click on the entity type, there is different entities that you can form. It could be an LLC, an S corporation, a C corporation, or a non-profit. We're going to go with the LLC, the limited liability company. Once we do that, we need to select the state in which we want to form the limited liability company in. All the states are available, but we want to select Ohio. Now, once we select Ohio, you'll see that you have three options in front of you, three packages: silver, gold, and platinum. The silver one is for $99, the gold is for $298, and the platinum is for $398. If you hover over the state fee, you'll see that the state fee is what your selected state charges to file a new business entity, and this amount is passed through and goes 100% directly to the Secretary of State, and InkFile does not keep any part of this fee. If you hover over the package fee, the package fee covers the cost to create, prepare, and file all the required legal paperwork on your behalf to properly form your new business entity. It also includes the cost for additional services and products in your chosen package. If you go for the silver one, there is no package fee, but you get the preparation and filing of the article of organization, unlimited name searches, and a free registered agent service for a year, and unlimited phone and email support. If you look at the packages, the state fee is constant for each one of them. The only difference is the package fee, which is $199 for gold and $299 for the platinum. With the gold, you get a comprehensive features to get your business started, which includes all the things in silver. Plus, you get your EIN business tax number, your IRS Form 2553, operating agreement, banking resolutions, lifetime company alerts, online access dashboard, unlimited phone and email support, and business banking account, as well as business tax consultation. And the platinum one is very unique because you get a full service features at the best value, including business contract templates and free next day filing with domain name and business email, and so much more. Remember, guys, investing $398 initially at the very start of forming your business is very crucial because you will cover all the bases and not face any problems in the future. If you're an individual that is forming a limited liability company for the first time, you got to make sure that you cover every single base because it is a very tedious job. You need to focus on multiple things such as sales and marketing, operations, strategy creation, so you can let the individuals, the organizations, the enterprise that understand the legal side of matters take care of what they can do. Now, I get a lot of questions from individuals that say that we need to speak to a lawyer and ask them a couple of questions to have that peace of mind. And it's for that reason I've included this website, which is called LegalZoom.com, where you can get the legal help that you need from business formation and wills and trust and intellectual property. Attorneys are with you every step of the way. They've helped 2 million plus businesses and have 650,000 consultations. And the reason that you can choose them is because they will refund their fee within the 60 days if you're unhappy with their services, and you can have the peace of mind knowing your documentation have been legally recognized in every state, and you'll never need to leave home to work with a lawyer. There is no hourly charges, meaning no surprises at all, and you can easily form a company and apply for licenses, permits, and get a tax ID, and they'll set your business up for success. All you need to do is click on LLC and you'll be taken to the next page, and you can start your business with confidence. You can check the name availability, and after doing that, you can just tell the name, answer a few questions, and they will complete and file the paperwork for you. It is that simple, straightforward, and easy, guys. Now, if you got any questions whatsoever, you can always ask us in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family so more people can find out how simple, straightforward, easy it is to use these methodologies to form a limited liability company in the state of Ohio. Stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.